Hello! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to record the audio from your Mac computer or speaker. By default, you can only record audio from your microphone on a Mac. So if you're putting an audio file or a video, the audio from your file does not get captured. We are going to solve that in this tutorial. This is not a built-in function, so we need to install a software called Soundflower, which will send the audio from our Mac to QuickTime Player or whatever recording software you are using. This tutorial is divided into two parts. Part 1, we are going to install Soundflower. Part 2, we are going to record using QuickTime Player. How to install Soundflower? Go to Softonic and download the installation file. You can see the link on the screen and in the description. When you see a pop-up window, click on No Thanks, continue to download Soundflower. Once the file has been downloaded, click on it to install the file. If you run into a security message like this, do the following. Click on the computer icon. Click on System Preferences. Click on Security and Privacy. Over here, you see the security message. And next to it, it says Open Anyway. Click on it to open the installation file. Now we just need to follow the installer. And you might run into another security message. When you see that, click on Open Security Preferences. If nothing pops up, then click on the security preferences yourself. Then click on Allowed right here. Then you're done. You can go ahead and close the installation window. Now when you click on the speaker icon, you will see two additional options. One is called Soundflower 2CH, and the other one is called Soundflower 64CH. Now we have installed Soundflower, we can start recording our computer audio. How to record using QuickTime Player? Launch QuickTime Player. Click on Files. Select New Audio Recording or New Screen Recording, whichever suits your purpose. Before you click on Record, there are two settings you need to check for it to record properly. First, click on this arrow key and select Soundflower 2CH. This tells QuickTime Player that you want the audio from Soundflower, which is your computer audio. Second, click on your speaker and select Soundflower 2CH. This tells your computer to play audio to Soundflower 2CH, this output channel. And when you select this, be aware that you will not be able to hear any audio from your speaker, but whatever audio that plays on the computer screen will be recorded. Then click on Record. Here's my sample audio file. Hello, this is a sample message for testing purpose. This audio is recorded using the... Once you finish recording, save your file and then play back to double check. When you are playing back, change the audio output to speakers, and now you will be able to hear the audio. Hello, this is a sample message for testing purpose. This audio is recorded. Please be aware that this only records audio from your computer audio. This does not capture any audio from your microphone. If you like a tutorial on capturing both the audio from your speaker and your microphone, please let me know and I'll be more than happy to help. Another thing to keep in mind is that I only recommend QuickTime Player if you are recording a short video. If you are recording a long video, then I recommend OBS Studio. I hope this tutorial is helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know. Have an awesome day. Bye!